Hey everybody, this is going to be a mid-month reading for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Guys, this is a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone. So please take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. It's a mid-month reading for Pisces. The card at the bottom of the deck is Three of Cups. I feel some kind of reconciliation with somebody, some kind of unfinished business reaching its culmination. You're waiting for this communication to come in. It can be from an earth sign individual, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. My dear Pisces, oopsies. Okay. Yeah, I feel this person ghosted you in the past. They either you ghosted them, probably. If not them, I think you ghosted them and you stopped some kind of communication that you guys had, and that made them feel very, what do you call it, disturbed, and they struggled with themselves. They thought as if they were insignificant in your life. You could be dealing with an earth sign, high possibility. And if this person ghosted you, then it could be a Virgo with the Hermit over here. Okay. Yeah. Some kind of ending that made you feel helpless, and it took your power away. It made you feel very small. Probably you or this other person, somebody in this relationship after it ended, felt very small, as if their power was taken away, as if they didn't matter. I mean, they felt small and insignificant. But I feel this person is coming back because I see two communication cards. Um, it can be a fellow water sign, Cancer or Scorpio, or another Pisces that you were dealing with. Probably somebody who has heavy earth or heavy water sign in their chart. Guys, you should check out your other signs as well, because sometimes our sun signs don't resonate with us as much as our moon or rising or Venus signs. Venus is our love signs. Yeah, somebody's coming back from the past. There were a lot of secrets. There were a lot of energies that were deceptive. That things weren't clear between the two of you, and now this energy is going to go, and it made you feel so horrible. Actually, one of you felt as if you were trapped in anxiety, as if you had sleepless nights. You definitely did have sleepless nights, crying in the middle of the night, or crying yourself to sleep is what I'm getting. But somebody's coming back with a lot of love, with a lot of compassion, probably an apology, something, you know um something to say that they regret what happened. They felt, now they realize that they did not treat you properly. By says they realize that what they did in that impulse um was not something that was fair. And when this communication comes back in, when this person comes back in, please make sure that you communicate clearly. The angels want you to communicate very clearly as to what happened to you, how you felt, and don't think as if if you say something and it goes out of line, then this person might just leave again. You've got New Moon and Pisces. Wow. See, what I was saying was, don't think that this person will leave just because you're going to communicate clearly. This person is not here to leave now. They're here to listen to you and, make sure that you uh, that you know that how they feel. Yeah, yeah, right. Be confident about this communication. Also, Pisces, if you feel that this person will just run away, if you communicate your feelings, then I don't think this person ever came here to stay, right? And do you need that energy? You decide for yourself, guys. I mean, why would you want to be with somebody who just comes and goes as they please? I mean, that's just so unfair and unreasonable and so unreliable. I mean, why? But yeah, whoever this person is coming with confidence. They're coming there to, coming towards you to um, say what is on their mind and probably apologize. I'm getting a feeling there are two people coming towards you. Probably there were two people that you were involved with, or you had romantic feelings for, both earth signs, or with heavy earth in their charts, and they both are coming towards you for communication, you know, to communicate with you, and you don't know who to choose. Probably you're just so worn out right now, you don't feel like choosing anybody. It can be that, one is from your past, the other one is from your future. Somebody who you knew of and you liked, or you knew that they liked you, but nobody ever initiated anything. Well, that initiation is coming into the picture now, either from your side or from theirs. I feel it's from their side, and this person who's from your past is coming back with an apology. This person also made you feel very worn out, mentally and emotionally. They drained you because of their actions and their selfishness. They come and they go as they please. If this is not romantic connection, then I feel you are getting two kinds of job opportunities. Something to do with your passion, something to do with your business, or um, your job. Probably you applied at two, three places, and two of them are coming with their offers, and it's up to you to choose. Probably you'll feel as if you're stuck. But you know what? Over here, also, do communicate with confidence. Let them know what you're looking at, let them know what you bring to the table, and you will be able to get the right thing. Because, yeah, I feel you feel happy once you're so confident, and once you let things out confidently, communicate clearly, people will know that you mean business, and you will get what you deserve. And that'll be the best for you. Trust me. In case you are a little, in case this is a romantic uh, connection and you don't know who to choose, what to do, meditate. Meditate and contemplate. New moon in Pisces. Beginning of a new cycle, guys. So when you meditate on things that you want answers for, I'm pretty sure the universe will show you what you need. It's definitely two people. Could be an fire sign also, who's coming with that offer, and very confident offer, because fire signs are very confident. Yeah, Pisces, I don't think I have any more messages for you, because I think we've covered everything. Lots of communication, yes. Could be a water sign, yeah, fellow water sign. I think I mentioned that in the beginning. Could be another Pisces coming back in to offer that love and that care and that connection. But it's all up to you, guys. It's all up to you in the end. Who do you want to choose? Meditate on your answers, meditate on your choices, meditate on what makes you happy, and you'll know who to choose. Be with somebody who makes you feel at home, where there is no pretense, where there is no hint of fakeness. You know? You don't have to be somebody else. I'm not saying be rude and brash and hurt other people's feelings, but don't change yourself completely. If you're plump, let them love you the way you are. You're already aware of that fact, and I'm sure you're working on it. If they love you, they should love you for who you are and not change you. You want to change yourself, that's up to you. When people come and start changing up, it's horrible when people, they comment on your weight or your skin or your hair or your height. I mean, what the hell? You're not perfect, and nobody is. But we are so imperfectly perfect in our own selves. We don't really need to change our physical attributes just to become attractive if we don't think so. We don't have to do it for other people. Do it for yourself. When you look into the mirror and you feel that, oh, Pisces, that you need to change something like that. I need to change my hair, or I need to change my nails, or the way I look. Then you go ahead and change. But yeah, a third person coming and telling you what to do and what not to do, how to change things, that's not done. We're not going to do that, right? Guys, I hope this reading helped Pisces. Please, if it made sense, do like, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you want me to, do something else, and how I can improve my readings, because I'm always up for communications and good communications and positive feedbacks and even negative feedbacks. I'll know what to change. I just saw 1111 on the screen, so thank you, Pisces, for this love and this care. And I love you guys, and please take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching. Bye.